Today we're looking at the assembled 1FZ head kit that we do. Now this comes with an ETP VRS, set of our head bolts, the camshaft lubricant for the break-in as it's got new camshafts, so any head that we do that has new camshafts comes with that. This has been an extremely successful kit for us. Took us a little while to get it going. The main stumbling block was the gears. We have actually made the cam gears, and that has allowed us to do a fully assembled head now. These gears are our own and the camshafts are our own. This is an 80 series head that we've got here that you'll see we did a video of this head actually being assembled. We do the 100 series version as well, but these have been an extremely successful head kit since we've got them up and running. Also, when these heads are put together, they're put together for the best way we can to protect them in transit. However, the camshafts are fitted for that reason, to protect them. They are not actually timed or anything. You have to remove the camshafts to fit the cylinder head. That is the reason we don't time them. So it is up to the customer. We got a lot of questions about that. It is up to the customer who is fitting the head to time the camshafts.